Hello, we're back! Sorry to keep you waiting. Lots of stuff happened before and after the wedding. Will something happen and it isn't good? Hopefully, I will be able to explain it in the next video. Meanwhile, enjoy the fireworks! We are here in a very gloomy day. What are we
Dramatic.
here for?
To enjoy the fireworks. It's the first time to have a fireworks.
Or more than 2 years maybe.
More than 2 years.
So it's kind of like a touch and go thing and we're just hoping for the best. And hey, if there are many people here, we should be seeing something, I hope. And yes, I'm in my yukata! This is my new yukata. It's from the second-hand store. Everything is from second-hand store, apart from my shoes. They're new. I already have this. This was also from a second-hand store. It was only like 300. By the way, this obi, this is the first time that I'm wearing a fixed obi. Although this yukata is from a second-hand shop, it's completely brand new.
Yeah.
It was still sewn together, like the sleeves and everything. They were tagged together, which means no one tried it on.
You found a treasure.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's cool. And it comes with a bag.
It's very nice. Yeah. It's very Mavis style. You got the other bowl.
Actually, I got it for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, my dad got another one for you, but you couldn't wear it.
Yeah. It was M size.
How much was it again? Either 900 yen or 600 yen or something like that.
そんなに安かったっけ?
Yeah, it's really cheap. It's less than 1,000 yen. And my jinbei was only 500 yen.
Really?
Yeah. His zodi was also from Donkey and it cost, I think 900 yen, was it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think it was 900 yen.
Hey, watch out what you got.
Never thought I'd come back. Didn't think I'd have it in me. But if you're holding back, I'll keep up all my boundaries. You make it sound so simple, like we could just start over. But I'm stuck in the middle of my head, and I need to believe we've learned from our mistakes before my sake. If you're in, then I'm in. No more standing in our own way. All our walls coming down is all that it would take. If you're in, then I'm in. No more standing in our own way. All our walls coming down is all it takes.
We have just witnessed an hour's worth of fireworks. And to be honest, I don't believe that I'm gonna say this, but kind of having like a fireworks overload at the moment. It's still raining, drizzling. We're walking back to the car. Oh my goodness. You can't be... You're freaking kidding me, man. You're freaking kidding me. Are you serious? Okay. Thank goodness you're still here.
Oh, baby, come talk to me. It's fire, keep it burning. Them other boys keep them talking. But you can't stand them out.
Okay, I'm very confused now. So the fireworks started at around 7:20.
So 1.5 hours.
It's 1.5 hours worth of fireworks.
90 minutes.
Yeah, everyone's fine leaving now, so hopefully it's the end. The last thing I want is to hear fireworks behind us again. I guess that was worth it. 1.5 hours worth of fireworks. That's the first time for me. They don't play around. Then again, it is 100 years anniversary for Kawagoe City, and at the same time, there's probably like 2.5 years to 3 years worth of fireworks, so has to be grand, right? Of course, the beginning and the end was fantastic. In the middle, it was okay. It's kind of repetitive, but you know what? It is fireworks, and it costs like millions of dollars just to fire them up. And where are we going for dinner?